Hello friends, today I'm going to show you some simple breathing exercises which are very important during this COVID times. Pranayama and yoga are two terms being bandied about by everybody. I'll show you some very simple breathing exercises. I want to demystify yoga and pranayama for everybody. This module is aimed at the people who cannot sit down and the elderly people, senior citizens. This can be done sitting on a chair, which I am sitting. This chair does not have any arms, old Godrej chair. This is the ideal chair for pranayama. Now, pranayama is breathing exercise. I'll not go into the technical details. I'll just start with the schedule. This is a very simple module. Now, we should start every breathing exercise by some simple loosening. People who can sit on the chair can sit on the chair, preferably outdoors, early in the morning or late in the evening, preferably on an empty stomach. People who cannot do pranayama are the people who have had a recent operation and invasive treatment, people with blocked noses, menstruating and pregnant women. These people should not do. And it should be done outdoors on an empty stomach, preferably early in the morning, a couple of hours before and after sunrise, or late in the evening, 4 hours after your last meal. These are the disclaimers and precautions to be taken. Now let's go into the pranayama part of it. The first part of every pranayama module, every yoga module or pranayama module is loosening. You can do loosening sitting down. Watch me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Do this 5 times. This is one loosening. The next loosening will be, keep your hands here. Do this 5 times. Then stretch your arms. Do this 5 times. Stretch your arms above your head. Do this 5 times. Then rotate your arm like this, both directions, 5 times. Okay, then spread your legs, go down, come up. Go down, come up. Do this 5 times. Then pull your leg up, touch your knee to your face, this knee to the face, both knee if you can, 5 times each. This is the loosening part of it. Once you have done loosening, we go to the next part of it. We have done loosening, we have done some asanas, asana type of loosening we do. Then we are ready for the breathing exercises. Now let me tell you, breathing consists of 4 parts. Inhale, hold, exhale and hold. These are the 4 important things you have to learn. Now the first part of breathing exercise which we do, I'll show you the bellows breathing cycle. The first is called the bellows breathing cycle. You sit erect like this and breathe out and take your stomach inside. Watch my hand. 5 times. Then rest for some time. Then do it 5 more times. This is called the bellows breathing exercise. I call it BBC. I am demystifying. I am not using any yogic terms. The next will be your sinus clearing cycle. You take your arms up, blow your nose out. Keep a hand key conveniently. 5 times. After 5 times, relax with normal breathing. So I've showed you a simple bellows breathing cycle, a sinus clearing cycle. The next thing I have to tell you is cleansing breath. The cleansing breath is you purse your lips and blow out air, all the air from within your body. The air contains more, the exhaling air contains a lot of carbon dioxide. This is called the cleansing breath. We have done the bellows breathing cycle, the sinus clearing cycle, and the cleansing breath cycle. Cleansing breath. The next is the humming breath. You have to hum like a bee. Watch my finger positions. Small finger under your lips, 2 fingers under your nose, the forefinger and the pointing finger just slightly closing your ears, and the thumb pressing your earlobes. and hum deeply like a bee. Mm. Your whole head should resonate. After you hum for a long time, hold the position and breathe normally for 3 times. So I've shown you 4 aspects of breathing. We have not got to the main part of breathing. Bellows breathing cycle, complete nasal cleaning cycle, cleansing breath, and the humming breath. Now, after these 4, now we come to the actual pranayama complete breathing cycle. A normal person breathes only shallowly through the nose, takes in air through the nose, breathes out through the nose. A person breathes 15 times in a minute. Normal person. Now this complete breathing cycle is, you have to watch my hand. It's called the bellows breathing. Your stomach should grow in as you breathe in. The chest should come out as you breathe in. And the shoulders should go up. Complete stomach breathing, clavicular breathing, shoulder breathing. You have to do it in a smooth way. Hold there a few seconds. Then drop your shoulder, drop your chest, drop your stomach. Breathing out. Watch me. Deep breath. Hold as long as you can. Exhale and hold once again. Don't breathe. The shoulder should go up. The reason your shoulder should go up is the upper lobe of the lungs will get good load of oxygen. You do this complete breathing cycle 5 times. I'll explain to you once again. Diaphragmatic breathing, stomach going in as you breathe in, chest coming out as you breathe in, shoulder going up. These 3 should be a smooth, complete breathing cycle. This is called the complete breathing cycle. Watch me. Hold there as long as you can. Then as you breathe in, drop your shoulder, drop your chest. After complete exhale, hold there once again. That's 1 cycle. Now, this is called the complete breathing cycle. This gives you your bronchial system gets your full load of oxygen and keeps you vibrant throughout the day. Now, the module is, you have to breathe in 1 complete breathing cycle. I call it the CBC. Hold. After 1 complete breathing cycle, you have to do the cleansing breath. After 1 cleansing breath, you have to do the humming breath. After humming breath, keep your hands there, 3 normal breaths. This is 1 cycle of simple breathing. This can be done by anybody from the age of 8 to 80, except for those people I mentioned who have had an invasive treatment, pregnant and weaning mothers, no. People who got blocked noses, no. Do 5 such cycles. I call it, you have to do complete breathing cycle. You have to do a bellows breathing cycle, and your sinus clearing cycle, complete breathing cycle, cleansing breath, humming breath, and a normal 3 normal breaths. Do 5 to 10 such cycles every day in the morning on an empty stomach, and you can do it in the evening, or you can do it once in the evening, once in the morning. This will give you a lot of, this is the first basic module of breathing I want to tell you people. This is meant mostly for senior citizens who cannot sit down. This can be done sitting down also, but I am explaining to you sitting on a chair. This is my module number 1 for senior citizens. Thank you.